600. Para sa ano guys, breakfast table namin. It's cheesy. Cheesy? I like it. Oh, that's nice.
Folds up so there could be a couch underneath.
I say nag in Bisaya.
In Bisaya, tin.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys. Today is Tuesday. So, hindi ako nag-vlog kanina sa baba. Pero, kuha tayo ng video. Kasi hindi ako nag-vlog sa baba kanina. So, yung nakita ninyo una is sa camera niyan. So, kinuha ko lang yung footage na yun sa camera namin. Kasi may mga kalukuhang nagaganap kanina. Si Roxy. Nagsisilo si Roxy guys. Hi guys, look at me guys. You can see my sports bra. I don't care. I put a sweater anyway. So yun. Okay guys, alis kami guys. And I am going to put a little bit of lipstick. I said I called you.
What?
Do you smell something?
I can't smell nothing.
No, can you smell me? I stink.
I can't smell nothing. How do you know it? You know, jeez, how long you know me?
You have a nose. Use your nose.
I think you know that. For as good as it is, it's not much.
May kugmo pala ako eh. Minsan talaga may naano ka, parang may napipilit. Gumagahi dito sa kilid. Kot.
Has this thing ever been set up to this Wi-Fi here?
You did. Magdala tayo ng wallet. Kasi, remember? Palaging nakalimutan. Hindi ako mahilig magdala ng wallet. Anyway guys, hintayin ko lang si Tami kasi may inasikaso sa printer kasi hindi ako makapag-print. Ginoo ko Lord. Yung ink. Bibili kami ng ink. Guys, you know, matigas ulo. You think that the printer is a toy. So now I have to wipe this counter with the Clorox wipe. Look at this. Where is the paper, hon?
There's no paper. I'm not printing nothing.
Oh. He wants to know who is it. Lord, put your nose in there.
Is the door open?
Yeah, I open it. Do you smell me?
I don't smell nothing. You just don't get it. I keep telling you. You know me for 100 years and you still don't get it.
I don't know, guys. Basin sa ilong ko lang, guys, kasi malapit yung ilong ko sa bibig. Maybe because it's my mouth. It's closer to my nose. I'm just joking. Oy.
Now, if you said my nose is close to my ass, that'd be a different story.
Okay, can you move your arm, huh? You don't have to close the garage. You did close it again.
Yes, I did.
Guys, if
Oh,
you...
Look, they're up in the apple trees already.
Oh, really?
Listen, it'll be up. You're hitting ladders or so up there already.
Oh.
Don't know why. What the hell are they gonna do up there? Certainly ain't no apples.
You guys, if you are new into this channel, guys, if you think I'm just talking, like sometimes it's so much info about me being stinky, This is my personality, guys. I'm very open. What? Hala, geese. I'm very open to everything, even to Tommy. Just life, guys. I'm gonna go this way.
Oh,
Yeah, whatever.
whatever.
Tommy, oy. You're going to the place that you have to look, ask the guy about the spray, right? So, and then after that, we're going to stop to
Yeah, water,
Big
coffee.
Lots. No more coffee. The house is like, it's nice. It's nice now.
Yeah.
Can you go over here?
Yeah,
That's out. Yeah, because it's longer over there.
Oh, shit.
So yun, guys. So we're gonna go to Big Lots to find that drawer, I think. Alahan, that's nice house, and I like that. Big tree garage. No, I'm sure the house is small because the garage is so attached. Tommy saw my pimples under my nose. He pointed like he gets so excited. Huh?
You want to get rid of it?
No. Just leave. It will gone, and like you pop the other one over here. Now I have a scar because of what you did. You pop it. You forced it.
Because mine's done it. So I wasn't ready to tell you. Just keep doing it. Keep doing it.
You're right.
Yes, sir.
You are the one who's crazy about pimples.
No, I was trying to get rid of it for you.
Yun, guys, pangpatay sa ivy. Yung hinahanap ni Tommy. Kasi ang daming ivy.
Oh,
So-
this one says it kills the roots.
That one?
Yeah.
$30.
Well, if it kills
If
the
you
roots,
spray the ground,
if it kills the roots, it'll like.
if you spray it through, you know, through the ground. How much is that? $18 for that one thing, small?
This is concentrate. You mix it. Kind of like it.
What is how much?
What'd you get?
Oh, like $6.50. This one, girl, it's a bar.
Yeah, but I kind of like it.
You don't like it?
I do like it.
You do like it? Bar.
I like this too.
What's in it? It says a material.
It's got the little light and everything.
Yeah.
I
Ganda.
imagine these are
125.
all battery operated.
600. No price.
No. What's that chair say? It's maybe for a set.
Oh, this right here.
Yeah, for a set.
Maybe this is, hala, 1300. I don't think so.
5-piece cushion seating set. So you're getting
1, 2,
a curved sofa. That's that.
5. It's 5.
2 swivel gliders. That's this.
Yeah.
2-piece coffee table.
This
2-piece
one.
coffee
Two-
table.
two. Is this a coffee table?
2. In essence, 8.
Oh, okay. So for that 1300, 1400. This one dito is ano 1,000 set. Ganda eh. Yeah, this one ito gustong-gusto ko to. How much? Huh? That's, I think the one that we have, that individual barrel, is fine. Para sa ano, guys, breakfast table namin. It's cheesy. Cheesy? I like it. Naghanap kasi kami ng ano, guys.
That's what I want.
May mga sound, so maka-copyright tayo dito. Ang daming cushion, oh. Daming cushion. Magkano tong cushion nila? $20 lang yung cushion nila. $20. So, yun. Yung coffee na yung hinahanap namin. So, maghanap tayo ng coffee. Okay, ito yung coffee na gusto nila. French toast. 25. That's, Han, if you never use it.
It's still dark French roast.
Oh, so how, maybe the same price. How many it's inside?
84.
And this one is 80. The same price?
Yeah.
I get one of that. So yeah, guys, hanap tayo ng drawer. Meron silang mga drawer doon. So hanap tayo. Let's go.
Wooden shelves.
Okay, hanap tayo dito. Let's see. What is this? That's not it. Over here, this is the one I'm talking about. Maganda ito sila, guys, oh. Kaso it's, look, it's not, I want the plastic, the drawer, yeah.
Even so, you just get a mess of stuff
Yeah,
inside it.
I need the drawer.
Yeah.
Oh, mamahal. Oh, meron clearance din dito, han. This is clearance over here too. Wala kaming nakita, guys, oy. Alis na lang kami. Meron kaming nabili, pero hindi yung hinahanap namin. Iba eh. Oh, it's a couch cover.
Yeah.
This is not even the right thing for our couch.
No.
I like this bunk bed. Malaki dito sa baba, and then it's big right here, and then it's the right size. Oh, that's nice.
It folds up, so there could be a couch underneath.
$300 for this? It's right here, that one right there. That's nice. I like the wooden thing over here too. They have this wood thing. Oh, look at this, hon. How nice is this? Look. Allah.
This is a regular bunk bed.
Yeah, regular. Allah, it's nice, guys. Oh. Oops, Halan. What are you doing? And they have table now over here, oh. Because, guys, naghanap lagi kami ng table, guys, oy. Dad, this is too big. This is too big. Oh, it's strong. Touch it. Hold it, hold it. It's so heavy.
And it's thicker. Like, it don't feel cheesy to me, so I like it better.
And it's wider. Did you see that it's wide? I mean, it's like space.
Yeah, you can fit it comfortably in.
I like it.
It's
It's
very cheesy though. Yeah.
yeah. This is too big for breakfast. $500.
If you put that round one over it, it'll come from here. So what are you talking about? That's
Yeah, so that's the price of that. Like this, a wood thingy. Yeah, wood bed frame.
this one I like. If it was real wood, but it's not.
I like the woody looking. This one too. Look, can you touch this? Like, it's real. Oh no, it's not. Oh, this one right here too. No, it's crappy too.
They didn't have the hot one with the cheese, only the hot one regular.
Okay, Tommy want me to.
So I'll get this one.
Tommy want me to try this thing. How you open this shit?
Peel it.
Ah, okay, it's right here. It's jerky, guys.
Looks like a little pepperoni on it.
This one is with cheese jerkies. Not spicy, right?
No.
What do you think of the spicy one?
Okay.
I like that.
It's funny you like the not spicy better.
Hmm?
You like the not spicy better? Finish, man. I'm done.
Dan sabi ko sa kanya, ako na lang yung pupunta dito para mabilis. Look, it takes forever. Forever and ever. Look, kami. Look. Expensive for a small
Well,
one.
it's 4 for 6.
It's crazy. Okay, let's go. Please, Tommy, please. We're going home finally. We end with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stores we stop over. And kailangan ko pang magluto ng ano.
Nag.
Ako ito nga ng itlog ron. Han, I'm gonna get you
I
in.
say nag in Bisaya.
In Bisaya? Let me think because that's a hard word. Nag in Bisaya. Nag in Bisaya. Tin.
What's the actual translation for that word?
Nag. It's nag. You know what is nag? Anyway guys, so tinuruan ko naman ito ng kalukuhan nitong asawa ko, kaya ayaw niya, gustong matuto kasi ako yung magturo sa kanya kasi bugal-bugalan ko. Can I touch your itlog?
No.
Ha?
No.
Can I touch your itlog?
I don't know why.
I love
do
you.
things that you do.
I love you.
You do. You still squish.
I believe I can fly. Huh?
130.
Yeah. I'm making soup. You would love it. Okay? Chicken soup with spinach and chayote. You would love the soup. You would love the chicken. Is that RV looking? Is that RV?
Yeah, but RV is self-powered, and when it goes bad, you just like,
Guys, paborito kong pound cake. Ito siyang ganun, oh, buttered pound cake. Ang sarap niya, guys, oy. Sarap niya, right, Han? It's really good. So, guys, nagkakat na ako ng nagkakat na ako ng onion at saka yung chayote, okay na. And, luto na tayo. Itong kulikot, ilagay ko itong kulikot. Ang laki. Ang likot nito. While Tommy is doing that thing, here, nilagay ko na tong, ang lalaki ng mga, ko, yung ginger para hindi makain. Kasi si Tommy, kung anong nilagay ko, kainin lahat. Alam nyo guys, yung tanglad, yung lemongrass, nilagay ko yan sa yung munggo beans, kasi Tommy love the munggo beans. So, I put a garlic lemongrass. He thought he can eat the lemongrass. Crazy. Said everything you put over there you can eat. No, not the lemongrass. Tommy.
You could actually eat lemongrass.
No, you can't.
Good.
You can if you make it a powder, not that whole thing. But this kind of sandwich he does. Nice looking sandwich. You have to bring this to the other house, huh? The bread and the thing, okay? That's their sandwich. There you go, guys. I added the chicken and I let it just leave it there cook. And then I will add later on water. Smells so good. It smells so good. I like it. The ginger and the chicken is so good. Tubig. Nilagyan ko na ng tubig. Lagyan ko na lang siya ng pepper and then konting salt. Yun lang, guys. Tapos na, guys. Yan siya, guys. So, iwan ko, guys. 3 o'clock na. So, I think hindi na ako magmumukbang. Time check. It is almost 4 o'clock. So, kaya hindi na ako nagmumukbang kasi alam na talaga. Ting dinner na. Hindi ako kumakain ng tawag nito. Lunch. Kain na lang tayo nito. Si Tommy andun sa labas ng bahay. May nakikita kaming material doon sa front house namin. Parang damit. So, kinuha ni Tommy. Damit siya na may presyo pa. Bago. Parang napalid ba sa hangin kasi sobrang hangin the other day. Shit.
It's a sleeveless shirt. It's a t-shirt.
Oh my god. Probably it's for a guy.
Yeah, it's for a guy. I guess.
It's your name?
Yeah, the medium one.
I love you. What are you doing, baby? Because every time it's like over there. And then where you gonna throw it out? Yeah, and then where you gonna throw it? Burned it. Just pop it. Pop it. Naglilinis si Tommy kasi kapag may kasi guys, kapag hangin, yung basura ng kapitbahay namin lumilipad dito. Kasi yung nila ba, yung garbage pail nila natutumba. So, kaya yung basura, lumilipad din. Dito, kailangan ko nang i-spray din, oh. Kasi tumutubo na din. Kailangan ko na din mag-ikat ito, oh, kasi mataas na. Ito, i-trim. Dito, ititrim ko tong mga to. Kasi ang tataas na. Hindi na pantay-pantay, oh. Tumubo na sila, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Ready na nga sila, guys, oh. Tumubo na. Kailangan ko pong linisin itong mga guys, inilagay ko lang siya dito sa Pyrex ko kasi para hindi ko na siya and then ito guys, lulutuin ko na lang to, ibibake ko 400 degree na yan, cover natin para ano. Ito din, tapos na din ako nagluluto. So, yun. Para naman wala na ako masyadong lulutuin mamaya. Hindi na yan magbabago, Tami. Ganun na yan. Mataas. Tignan nyo. Hey.
I'm stuck in my ear, stuck in my face, stuck in my
Oh,
face.
Jesus Christ, Tami. We get this, guys. This is not what we're looking for, but we get this thing. It's $6 each. Ito. I will show you kung paano namin ito i-ano. Biglets namin ito in-ano. So, yun. Ganito siya, oh. Ilagay ko kayo dyan, ha? Yan. Makalagay ka dito ng mga, yung mga, ano, pwede mong malagyan dyan. Tapos na yung, ano, napagod, oh, na ano yung juice niya na over, ano, na itim. Tapos na siya. And Tommy is baking this mushroom. That's, ano, looks good, oh. Looks good, right? That looks good. If you want to heat that too, you can put it in your thing. We just came out, guys, to put the garbage. Well, actually, he did. So, magdala siya ng coffee sa travel niya. It's good that we have this. You get this when we get the house. I know. And thank you, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Bukas, aalis ako early. I-drop ko lang yung Ganon Kurtz. And yun. I will see you too.
Put this over the car.
Yeah, I will do that. Han, do your coffee first. I'll go with you. No. No. I was still in my car?
Yeah, I take the blanket.
Did you get the coffee in the car and the water, right? Yeah. Guys, thank you, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. I will early tomorrow with her every Wednesday.
Hi, guys.
See you whenever. Please like, guys, if you like this video, and subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, kasi itong tamimoy ko is...
To hit the road.
Yeah, okay. You're leaving now? Okay, guys, bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
What?
I forgot something.
What did you forget? Mga pagod dito, guys. Are you tired? You're tired because you don't go to sleep. You just keep asking your dada to go out. You just keep asking dada to go out. Is that what happened? That's why you're tired? I love you. Hey, miss this. It's right there, guys. Kaloka talaga. Kapag talaga yung cup drawer or sink or under the sink or any cabinet na makalat, ang mangyayari talaga is hindi mo alam kung anong andon. So ngayon, hindi 'di ba hindi ako nakabili ng para dito sa bathroom sink namin under para malagay ko yung mga nakakalat dito. Alam nyo, guys, hindi ko talaga alam na ang dami ko palang ano. Look. Lagay ko dito yung isa. Itong binili namin ni Tami. And din yung isa doon sa kitchen. Kasi gusto ko lagyan ng mga salt, ganyan. Sabi ni Tami, wag daw. Sabi ko, dyan na yung isa. Dito yung isa. And gusto ko yung drawer talaga, yung malaki. So, guys, ginoo ko. Naging empty almost na dito. Yung hindi ko pa ito tinitignan kung anong andito sa sink na to is kaluka talaga. Ang daming toothbrush. Yung brand new na toothbrush ng electric. Hindi electric, yung battery toothbrush, ang dami. And ang daming sabon. And ang dami ko palang tampons. 3 na pala ang ganito. 3 or 2. Ay, 2 and then isang cotton buds. Isang cotton, yung cotton, isang bag din. Akala ko wala na ako. Meron pa pala. And akala ko wala na akong pang wipe sa bathroom. Bumili ako ng bago. Meron pa pala. Ito. Ay. Ang daming sabon. Look. Ang daming sabon. Ito siya. Ito. Patungong baba. Yan, sabon. Ay, ito talaga, no? Kapag dinampa mo lang dyan lahat and then hindi mo alam kung andun, kung hindi talaga arrange talaga, no? Maano talaga, parang magdubli-dubli na lang, hindi mo alam kung anong andun. So, yeah, maaga ako bukas yon. Kaya, ano ng oras? Oh, hold on guys ha. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras na, pero hold on. Oh my God, 8:56. Maaga pa pala guys, pero yeah, gusto kong matulog kasi maaga tayo bukas. I will see you